We're really deep in a national park rainforest, so behind me you can see all of the forest. The kids are surrounding me. Yes. Uh-oh, here they all are. Oh, wow. All of you. All of you. All of you. All of you. Salia? That's how cute they are. Yeah, so they are going off into the rainforest now, back to their village. They walk every day to school. And honestly, if you could see it, this is the rainforest behind me. Up there. You can't see a human structure in sight. Like, the villages are nestled in the rainforest and it's very special. Hola!
Hola!
Lotta! Okay! Married couple!
Hela vina rezi?
Hola!
Hola!
Hola, Chiki!
Hola!
Hola, Wani!
Hola!
This is me being interrupted at work today.
I've got my shirt, I've got my blue things on, and yeah, let's see how it goes. First day of teaching, first day of work. A bit scared, but I'll be fine. Literally feels like paradise.
Where's your dance? When it rains really hard.
We're just trying to fix the
That's good.
carousel cooker.
Well done. Hey! Whoa! Whoa! Searching for internet connection, Fiji style. This is orange bars, 4 bars orange. Yep, orange. This is 4 bars green. So there is different from there. This means I can send emails, that means I can't send emails. It's the best game ever. Plastic bag around the foot.
Reading glasses.
Cup.
From the garden patch.
From the garden cup.
Patch.
Cup.
Timmy, Timmy,
Timmy.
where are you?
How are you?
Where are you?
How are you?
Yes. Then I saw a lump in my bed. Then
Then
I saw
saw
a
a
lump
lump
in
in
my
my
bed.
bed.
There's the lump. See?
It's lump.
Lump.
See.
Yes. Live, and this is what it looks like. Blurring like racing cars. I'm gonna ride this wheel. No matter where we straight to bus blurring like shooting stars. Blurring like racing cars. Yoga, acro yoga session. Whee!
The sun is shining for us every day from above. We went along the beach and you.
Inter schools netball tournament. Savini. We're just trying to. Hola, ladies. Hola. I'm gonna cook this pactory tonight. Stir-fry diving. Here's some wraps and rice paper. Cooking. Did you start? Yes! Yes! Who's got the best bottom?
Quickly, very quickly. Run the little mouse. Quickly, very quickly. Round about the house.
Yay! Very good. High five. Having breakfast while Tess is on her business already.
Fresh strawberry jam for me.
Yay!
Thank you, it's amazing.
It's really good. Thank you so much, girls. Today I'm having this yummy dish. It's basically octopus with spinach or some kind of like fresh leaves and the bread fruit.
Banana leaf is boiled in these huge cauldrons. But first, it's green like this. Which is in the direct sunlight, which is bleaching it and drying it out, ready to weave. Check Manda. This is good for the weaving. This is mat weaving. From Fiji. We are in the northern islands of this wonderfully remote area of the world. We're on a remote island camping weekend.
Right now I wait for spring so bad it hurts. My days are lonely 'cause you ran
Wild
away.
camping, island spirit in Fiji.
The song was
Come here. This is wild camping Fiji style. With Maria. We have a slight problem with the tide, it's very low, so we're a little bit stuck.
I lay beside you and was so bewitched, so damn high.
Oh, is that how you do it? That is a lot of work.
It's gonna work. It's nothing. We're gonna make it, we're gonna have everything come into pieces.
Oh, too big. Okay.
Snails in coconut milk. Yum. We are here again. We're on our half-day hike to a really remote waterfall in the depths of Burma National Heritage Park. We have
outside my window. It's cold and I just wanna fly away.
Hey, Maka.
Back to where it all began.
It's a feeling around
Jangan diduduk. Diduduk. Siapa tuh masih main?
Okay. Oh my god, it's so
Outside my window.